The House of Representatives as a whole simply cannot let go of the articles of impeachment it filed with the Senate or impeachment court with the Supreme Court, just recently ruled as unconstitutional. Hence the latest pleading filed with the High Court seeking a review and reversal of their decision that Armela Las Moras sums up in this story.
The House of Representatives has formally filed a motion for reconsideration before the Supreme Court regarding the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte. In its motion, filed through the Office of the Solicitor General, the lower house respectfully prays that the Honorable Court revisit and correct its ruling that nullified the impeachment case. In a statement, House Speaker Martin Romualdez reaffirmed the exclusive constitutional mandate of the House to initiate impeachment proceedings as he declared that the House will not bow in silence.
This is not an act of defiance. It is an act of duty. We do not challenge the authority of the court. We seek only to preserve the rightful role of the House, the voice of the people, in the process of accountability. Let us be clear. The Constitution says the House of Representatives shall have the exclusive power to initiate all cases of impeachment. That power is not shared, not subject to pre-approval, and not conditional. Yet, in GR number 278353, the Supreme Court ruled otherwise, based on a misreading of facts and a retroactive imposition of the new rules.
Earlier, ML Party List Representative Laila De Lima also reiterated that the impeachment complaint is not dead in the water.
We're still hoping, praying na magkakaroon ng re-examination, especially of the material and crucial facts na medyo mali yung pagkakaintindi ng Korte Suprema. Hindi pa naman po talo ito, wala pa ho tayo dyan kasi nga meron pang remedyo.
Other congressmen also agree.
Naniniwala ko walang violate sa konstitusyon ang articles of impeachment. And that is my stand. At naniniwala ako na dapat, kung may mga bagong dapat na patakaran ang ating Supreme Court, dapat ito ay progressive.
We just have to wait for the decision of the Senate and we'll have just to wait for the decision of the Supreme Court.
On the part of the Senate, Majority Leader Joel Villanueva had this to say.
Pakikinggan namin ang lahat ng appeal ng iba't ibang panig, whether House of Representatives, whether academe, whether lawyers group, etc. Kung lahat pakikinggan at susundin, hindi naman po yata sang-ayon yung Senado na hindi mag-decide on its own.
While on an online post, Senator Kiko Pangilinan asked the SC to seriously consider the earlier suggestion for them to issue a status quo ante-order and call for oral arguments.